Okay, I got the package from the Swappa Seller Afa678. I just have this paper over it to protect the identity of the address. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, see how well it's packaged. Okay, I'm going to open this up. Packaged very well. Got the Ear Plus bag inside of it. Wow, nice. Have the charger. Have the phone. Wow, very excellent packaging. The bubble wrap around it, excellent. I greatly appreciate that. They got some extra paper. And they have the listing information for Swappa. Excellent, perfect packaging. It gets a 5 out of 5. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the bubble wrapping. And look over the phone. Okay, look it over. No scratches on the screen. Okay, looking good. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do a power on test. So the phone's cosmetics looking great and as described in the listing. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go through the setup process, but so far so good. And nice screen. Again, like I said earlier, no scratches. Perfect. Okay, got it set up with the Google account. Says everything's ready to go. So the next thing I'm going to do is go and test out certain items from this phone, such as the speakers, Bluetooth, etc. Make sure all is working, the charge port, and then continue forward with my review. Okay, the audio works. Gonna test the camera and some more items. I'm gonna finalize this review. I went ahead and tested as much functionality as possible, installed apps. So some things I did was put a SIM card in, tested the phone calls, loudspeaker and headset wise, everything was fantastic. Took pictures with the front and rear camera. Took video, everything worked out perfectly. Charged it, the charge port works. Tested the Wi-Fi, tested the Wi-Fi hotspot. Sound worked with the headphones and without headphones. Bluetooth worked, GPS, tested the memory card slot with the memory card. Did some video playback, tested the flashlight, the rotate feature, sent some multimedia messages and some standard text messages, and they all work perfectly. Tested the web browser and the Google Play Store. So everything has been great with this phone. The build quality was not damaged. The screen was perfect. What more can you ask for? So I highly recommend using this Swappa seller. It's been a positive experience, and I got a great phone at a great price. So I appreciate that from the Swappa seller. Interesting fact, this is my third Sony Xperia XA1 Ultra now. So I'm actually recording this review with one of them. And then here's my second one here. So, and then my third, which I bought from Swappa, from the seller. So I really like these phones. They're large screens, very good quality in taking photos, especially selfies. Great for video and standard photos on the rear camera as well. So I'm very happy. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.